Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Allure beauty box for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the March 2026 Allure beauty box has arrived. This month, I'm remembering we were able to choose from a blush. So I selected some color that looked like a neutral in-between kind of color so it can go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. And next month's product is a YSL lip product. I don't remember if it's like a lip gloss or like a lip balm, or it's some kind of a lip product. And I've chose that one, and I'm actually really excited for next month. So let's go ahead and dive in to this month. When we open it up, there's always a brochure right on top with a gorgeous woman. And inside of here is going to go over all of the products. It'll tell you what the full size value is and what size product you got. Some of them are full size, some of them are sample to like smaller sizes, but that will tell you. Then you do have a thing here to cast your vote for the Reader's Choice Awards, and a sneak peek to down inside of my box is right there. So let's go ahead and go with the very first customizable product. It's a choice between 4 different colors. I chose Azalea, and it says Rose Ink Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek Color. Okay, so it's for your lips as well. It's a lip and cheek color. Again, there was 4 different colors you can pick from, and that's a great thing. Like, you get to go in the beginning of the month and select your customizable item. I think that's just so cool. So here is the packaging. The back, that's probably the color right there. I will show you, but I'm not swatching it because it's gonna go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So that is super, super pretty, but it is a lip and cheek. Did it say balm? No, color. Lip and cheek color. So there's the first item, and this is valued, this is the full size, for $32. So right there, $32. Next up, we have something from Grown Alchemist. It's a soothing hand cream. Okay, this is a 2.1 ounce. Yes, a full size product for $32. So already over $60 in these 2 products. Hand creams, I love. I mean, my hands always get dried out because I'm constantly washing them. So a good hand cream, I am all for. And that's a great brand. So it just says soothing hand cream. And it's a large size. It's not like a really, really small one. Most hand creams are like half the size. So I like that size. Again, valued for $32. Up next, it looks like it would be a random selection between 2 different, I guess, scents. It's the Scented Hair Removal Cream in either Guava Butter, and that's what I received, or Mango Magic. Either one would have been fine. I don't really eat them, but I do like the smells. So it's the Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream. This is $20 for a 6.7 ounce, and that's exactly what this is. So there is the 3rd full-size product. Again, it would have been between the Guava Butter or the Mango Magic. And yeah, so that's awesome. All right, so next up we do have, it says Bloom Essentials Hydration Oil. I don't normally do anything with oil, so I will save this for a future giveaway. It says it's a 56 ml, and that's what this is. So another full-size product, and this is valued for $34. Let me go ahead and open the seal. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I will put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys. Again, I just don't choose like oily type products. So if it's a hair oil, a face oil, any type of an oil, I just stay away from. And this is what it looks like. It looks like it might have leaked a little bit in there. If you can see like the different in the castings, like the way that it looks, like the color. Some is like kind of more see-through, and then some is like more of like a foggy kind of like thing. So I think a little bit of it might have got inside the packaging. So I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit more and hope for the best. But that is, again, valued for $34, the full size hydration oil. So up next, it is from True Skin. It says Sculpted Lip Liner. The color is in Mulberry. Mulberry right there. This is $26 and it has to be the full size product, right? 0.04 ounce. Yes, another full size product. And this is in Mulberry. It looks like every one would have the same color. There is a sharpener at the end, and then you do have the lip, what is this thing? Liner. I almost tried to say lip filler. I'm like, no, that's not it. So this is what it looks like. Back here is where your little sharpener will be. And then this is what the color looks like. Looks like a really, really pretty color, but if you follow me, you know I don't really do anything with lips other than like a lip oil or a chapstick balm. So I will definitely put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. So that's cool. I'm getting a lot more products to go in my giveaway pile. Again, that was valued for $26. So now we're gonna finally go with the sample sizes. We have a Carrot Calming Water Pad by Skin Food. It looks like it would be a retail price of $19 for 60 pads, and 2 pads are included in the box. So definitely a sample size, but if you like it, you can go purchase the full size. And it just says, after cleansing, place sheets directly onto your cheeks or forehead, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, snap a selfie, and then pat the essence, just pat whatever's left into your skin and you're done. So there is a 2 pad there for your forehead or your cheeks. That's cool. And then the last product in here is from Lumi Deodorant. It is Strength Sweat Control Soft Powder. This here is a sample size. You have a 0.5 ounce included in the box, and a full size is a 2.6 ounce, which values for $15. So you can try this out, and if you like it, buy the full size. But it is the Lumi. I always see this going around everywhere. Have you guys ever tried this brand before? If you have, let me know in the comments how you like it. But it does say 72-hour protection. And yeah, so you get to try that out. That'd be great for travel too, because it's like a perfect little size. So there is that. So that is everything that we got for this March 2026 box. With a recap, we have the deodorant sample, you have the lip liner, you have the pads, the full-size blush, the full-size skin oil, the full-size hand lotion, and the full-size hair removal lotion. Okay, you guys, so again, that is everything for this box. What would be your favorite item? Would you love everything in it? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you want some more information on this one, I will let you know the pricing. There's always new perks, so I'll go to their website to get the current information, because there's always something that you get for free when you do sign up. Okay, so if you go monthly, it looks like you will have a free new member gift, which is a Haas Labs hybrid lip glaze in guava, which is a $26 value. So month per month, box per box, you could cancel at any time, would be $29.99. The 3-month plan would be $79. And then the full annual plan would be $287. It says 2 free member gifts. You'll get the Haas Labs lip product, and you would get a beauty boost bundle that is valued at $278 for that whole entire bundle that you get in addition to the lower monthly fee. So those are the different options. You can do monthly, quarterly, or annually. I do annually, and yeah, so there is all of that. If you would like to check them out, I will have them listed in the description box. If you'd like to pop on over to Allure, see what they have to offer, to sign up, that kind of thing. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.